So hello everyone, welcome to the second module of this week, and the name of this module is Google Analytics, Interface and Setup. Now I hope that you have the fair idea about what is Google Analytics and why it is important for every digital marketer to understand the Google Analytics. So now the time has come that we have to learn the practical aspect of Google Analytics with the live demonstration. So under this module, you will specifically learn how to set up Google account from scratch, what is the structure of Google Analytics account, how to study the interface of Google Analytics. So without wasting any time, let us start to set up our Google account. So be ready with your Gmail ID, preferably used for Google Ads. To set up the Google Analytics account, go to analytics.google.com. The link is given in the description. Log in to account with your Gmail ID. You may use any Gmail ID here, but I will suggest you to please don't use the personal Gmail ID here. Further, you may use the same ID that you are using for Google Ads. Now this is the place where we will create our Google Analytics account, which have 3 steps. First, we will sign up to the Google Analytics. Click on sign up. First, we have to give the name of the Google Analytics account here. Give any name to this account. I am giving the name of Digital Mook. Here you need not to be very particular. Any name that you can remember, you can give that name here. Next we have the account data sharing settings. Here Google says that the data that has been collected by the Google Analytics, it is safe and secure, and Google will not share this data with anyone except you. Here are few settings. Let them be default. Click next. In the next step, we have to tell to the Google what do we want to measure. You would like to measure the data from websites or from app, or both from website and app. We don't have any mobile app as of now, so we would like to measure the data from the website. We would like to use the website that we have designed during this course. Make sure that this button is checked. Click next. Now the third step, we have to set up the property by giving the required details. Now what is the property here? Property is nothing. It may be your website or it may be your mobile app. As I said that we want to measure the website only, so we have to provide the details of our website only here. Here we have to give the name of our website. This is the name of your website, not the URL. So give any name here by which you can easily recognize your website. Next we have the URL of our website. Select here whether the website is HTTP or HTTPS. As we designed HTTP website only, so let it be HTTP. Give the URL of your website here. Next, select the appropriate industry to which your website belongs. You may search for the industry. I am selecting here job and education. If your industry is not listed here, don't worry, select others. You may change it later on as well. Next, the reporting time. This is very important setting. You have to select the time zone according to the country. I am selecting India here. Click on Create. This is the term and service agreement from Google Analytics. Select your country and region from here. I am proceeding with United States. You can change it according to your country. Read all terms and conditions in the free time. For the time being, check these boxes and click I accept. It is success. Let the page get loaded. Yes, we have created the account. Get rid of these unnecessary notifications. This page is very important. Here we have the tracking code details. This is unique tracking ID of our Google Analytics, and this is the website tracking information having the tracking code that we have to embed in our website. Google recommends that paste this tracking code in the header section of your website. So copy this code from here, go to WordPress dashboard of your website. Here we will embed this code in the header section of the theme. To do it, go to Appearance from here, click the theme editor. On the right hand side, look for the theme header, click it. Now, we have to paste this code between these two head titles. Just paste your code here above the PHP WP head. If there is no space, press the enter to create the space. Just paste the code that you copied from Google Analytics. This is the code and we have successfully pasted it. To save it, update the file. But if you think this is a difficult process and you are not familiar with coding, then don't follow it. We have another easy method to do the same thing. And that method is using the WordPress plugin. Go to Plugins, search for the plugin Google Analytics and install this plugin GA Google Analytics. Activate it. Go to the settings of GA Google Analytics. Go to the plugin settings. Here we have the Google Tracking ID. And this is the place where we have to enter the Google Tracking ID. To copy the tracking ID, go back to Analytics, copy this tracking ID and paste it here. Remember, this is different from the tracking code. Let all other settings be default and save the changes. Our website is linked to the Google Analytics. Here, I have explained the two methods of linking the website to our Google Analytics account. Please use either of two methods only, otherwise there may be a problem if you use both of the methods simultaneously. Let us go back to our Google Analytics account. Go back from here, go to Home, and this is our Google Analytics dashboard. Everything is zero here, but how do I know that my website is actually linked with the Google Analytics and it has started fetching the data? The one of the easiest way to confirm it, just visit your site from the mobile phone or from the same browser in which you are working and see whether this 0 is changing to 1 or not. I am visiting my site from the mobile phone and see it changes from 0 to 1. So it is confirmed that Google Analytics has started fetching the data from my website. This is quick and easiest way to confirm it. Go to all website data and see your property is listed and it is fetching the all website data. So finally, we have set our Google Analytics account. I would like to remind here the very important point. Though we have discussed the two important methods of linking our website with the Google Analytics, but I advise you to please use either of these two methods. Either you can embed the tracking code to your website or you can use the WordPress plugin in this regard. The using of both of the methods may put you in the trouble. So in the next video, I will talk about the Google account structure. So just join me there.